How's it going? Today I'm going to talk about my experience with the Spigen GlastR, Optik, and Platnum 2.0. I'll be trying out different cases, of course from Spigen and other ones to see if they work. First, let's talk about the Optik. This one is just a basic screen protector for your camera. For the S21 Ultra, that's probably reasonable to get because it's such a big surface area for the camera cutout. For the S21, you could probably get by without it. But anyways, it's a really easy install, and for the cutout itself, it's perfect for all the Spigen cases. And it looks great with them, especially if it's a black case. It looks like, or it just makes the S21 all black so it looks sleek. In other cases, it doesn't look as clean, as you can tell the open area around the flash. You can see the purple and gold, and then you see black. So I think it's just too busy for me, and that black is just randomly out of nowhere, especially if you have a clear case. If you do have a chaotic, busy looking case, then it might work, but for me, I just don't think it looked as elegant as the Spigen cases. Which makes sense because these are all Spigen products, so they work well with each other. I just wish that they do have a clear option. From what I can tell or what I searched for, it's only available in black. Next up is the Platnum 2.0. This one is pretty easy to install, but there's a lot of steps. So I can see why or how it can scare off some people. I looked on Amazon and the ratings weren't that great. A lot of people were saying like they have bubbles and the glue didn't reach all the way across the full screen, so they had issues. Which I can see why, because the process of doing or installing this product, there's a lot of places where it can go wrong. I wish they did include a spare screen protector and another tube of glue. Luckily for me though, the installation was perfect and I had no issues. So the screen protector is very thin, it barely looks like it's even there, and how it feels pretty much is really similar to the original screen. So it doesn't affect any of the performance of the screen. I did rescan my fingerprint just to make sure it works perfectly fine, and it does, so I wouldn't worry there either. Personally, I had one issue with the installation, and the tray was so tight that it was just holding on to my power button, so it just kept turning off and on throughout the whole process. I had no problems trying with all the different cases I had, so this is a perfectly safe screen protector. Even nothing happened with my installation, I wouldn't full-blown recommend this product just because there's a lot of chances that it can go wrong. Therefore, your money just went down the drain. Once you have it on, it's a really good screen protector, so for me, I would say it's a high risk. If you want to take the chance, then go for it. For the Optik though, I guess it's more of a design choice. If you do like the black, then it's not that bad. And from my experience, it doesn't hurt the camera quality as well, so I would say the Optik is the safer buy. So if you did buy the Platnum 2.0, let me know if you had any issues, because for me, I guess I got lucky. If you guys are interested, I do have the links down below. I would appreciate it if you do like this video, and you can find me on Instagram where I'll be posting more of my personal stuff. I hope this video gave you a bit more insight on the Optik and Platnum 2.0. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.